Alright guys, so for today's class we did a footwork with the spiral, then we did flare, broken left, hot 7, and basic. Yes? So let's get to it, yeah?
Sure.
Okay. So first I do my basic. 1, 2, 3. On my 5 I do a diagonal cajita. 6, 7. I look at 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. I do it twice. 3, 4, 5, 6. I look forward. So spiral is Susie Q with a kick. Then I do my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Broken left, 2, 3, 5, 6. My 6, you have to turn it out for you to land on the hot 7. If your 6 is facing this direction, it's very hard to do the hot 7. All you have to do is this. That's all the momentum you have. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Without stopping. Ready, Jessa?
Let's go.
We go. 1, cajita.
3,
5.
6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That was the footwork, yes. For the partner work, we started with the crossbody lead, inside turn, 180, and then a double.
Yep.
And then what else do we do?
Little thing and the copa.
Little
and
change of
shimmy and
directions,
stuff.
copation, and then so and so. So, here we go. Basic, 1, 3, 5. Make sure you take the follow out of the middle lane to the left lane.
6, 7.
Then you can stay in the middle lane and then bring her back to the.
6, 7.
Sorry, I forgot the last part. So, 1,
2, 3, 5,
5.
6, 7.
1,
2, 3.
switch hands
5, 6,
to the right.
7. 1, 2, 3, 5.
6, 7. Prep. 2, 3. 6, 7. Yes. De copa. 1,
2,
3, 5,
6,
7. 1.
2, 3,
Get her out of the lane.
6, 7.
1, 5, 6, 7. Back on the middle lane. See? Practice, practice.